Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So, the Euro Yen, I've been saying for a while that this could be the end of a wave B, but I'm not really all that convinced that it is, to be honest with you, because this move down is really not that impulsive. One thing that my old mentor used to always say to us is that when there really is the end of a pullback or the end of a crescent, like the end of a wave B, that it should be so obvious that it sticks out like a sore thumb because of how impulsive it is. And this really is not impulsive, so it may just end up being a pullback to this last move down. We probably are going to end up making a higher low and end up pushing up again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely still looking for shorts, and I'm definitely still recommending shorts. I don't think that the pullback is over, even if it is a pullback. We got our Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up. But if we do respect one of these fib levels and we do break structure to the upside at a fib level, I definitely would stop looking for shorts and go back to looking for longs. Yes, there is a big gap down here that hasn't been filled yet, but gaps do not have to fill right away. Sometimes gaps can take several weeks and even several months to fill. This potentially could continue to trend up on the daily time frame for several weeks, and then maybe a month or more from now come down and fill this gap. So I am definitely still recommending shorts because we don't have a break to the upside yet at a Fibonacci level, but definitely keep an eye out for that break. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.